Hey, what's up guys? Tyrone sent me this 4-pack rechargeable batteries. They're CR123A. Again, they sent them to me for free just so I could take them out of the box and show you what they look like when they show up. So here's the small, white compact box they come in. And then typically the batteries come in a wrap sleeve. And then I just kind of twist to break them open like this so you can see how they come. And then they also sell really nice chargers too that you can get for these batteries, but I've worked with this brand and used these batteries before, and they do have really good quality. I like the batteries themselves. They do a good job at holding their charge and lasting for a while. So if you need a CR123A battery, these are good ones to go with and a good company to go with. I use them for various smaller flashlights and things like that I have around the house. So, just check some of your smaller devices. Again, possibly certain smoke detectors or alarms, or like I said, for me, it's flashlights. So, if you're looking for a size like this, the CR123, to fit some of those things, this is definitely a good brand for you to consider.